All right, everybody, good morning and welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. Welcome to all our new subscribers. Picked up a bunch of them after working on toast the other day. This weird shadow off my face. There we go. Nope, still didn't do it. There, how about this? All right, today we're getting ready for Cleetus and Cars Houston. It's actually Wednesday. Trailer leaves tomorrow. And I still gotta get the old Burnout car ready. Will and Kimber have got Soccer Mom ready. We're gonna be doing some exhibition passes with Soccer Mom. She's been fighting us here locally, so we changed the torque converter. I'm gonna go try it in Houston without any previous testing. Hopefully it works out. If not, it'll be fun to watch me try. So, the Burnout car, which is also the car I race in Champ Car, or one of the cars I race in the Champ Car Endurance Series. It needs some upgrades. It needs some more power. So we're gonna fix that today. Or at least some of it today, some of it probably at the track, because we're waiting on some other parts to come in that I'll tell you about in just a minute. Well, first order of business for today, we're gonna make the car more noticeable sound-wise. Like, I watched some of the outside Burnout videos that either you guys took and posted on YouTube, or my outside footage that my girlfriend took when I was doing the Burnout stuff at Cleetus and Cars Indy. My car's just not loud enough. We gotta be loud. So we're gonna ditch the whole exhaust system that runs out to the bumper, which we're required to have that for the endurance racing that we do with the car. But for the front part of the exhaust, we're gonna put some different manifolds on so that I can keep all of this stuff together. And we're gonna turn straight out the top of the hood. Yep, that's what I said. So straight out the hood with the exhaust. I don't even think I'm gonna have a hood, so it'll be more just straight out of the engine bay. But I gotta get to work on getting this stuff off of here. I have some spare manifolds, and most likely I'm gonna weld something right to here. I don't have any extra flanges. I could cut some, but that would take too long. So I think we're going to just clean these up. I'll probably get CJ to sandblast them here in a second. Break the O2 sensors off, because we don't even use that kind of O2 sensor anyway. Weld that up in the flange and build us a pipe. Comes right off of there. Brings that out the hood. So that might get us a little power. If nothing else, less weight over the rear so the tires can spin faster. That's my theory anyways. The other thing we're gonna do is add a nitrous kit to it. So ordered up a kit from Holley. It's their universal 6-cylinder single fogger nozzle. Gonna spray that in the intake manifold right here. Probably just do like a 50 shot, something that won't hurt things, won't be too aggressive. The car has a plug and play MS3 Pro, so I can play around with the tune, and I will probably get in there and see if I can when I activate the nitrous, maybe pull a couple of degrees of timing out of it, or maybe I can do something and we'll even make it blast a little fire out of it, since the exhaust will be so short now and stuff. But I gotta get to work. we have gotten our exhaust done. The nitrous system is half wired. Ground side's done. I'll figure out the 12-volt wiring at the racetrack. You can see we got some new exhaust pipes. Actually, we're not quite done with the ground side. Travis is handling that now. Our fogger nozzle right there. And we just mounted our bottle, which CJ is filling right now. The bottle goes there. Just gonna leave the line long and wound up for the time being. There's CJ with the nitrous bottle right there. And this kit we used is the universal 4 and 6 cylinder kit. Jetted it for 75 horsepower. You know, the thing makes 200, so 75 horsepower is kind of a big hit for a 200 horsepower car. We'll see what happens. Hopefully all the pieces stay in the motor. We have not fired it up since we did our fuel system tap, so let's see. You ready to see if we spray fuel everywhere? I hear it. It's dry there. Maybe a little leak. Right here. No, that's not even fuel. That's oil from the fitting. What do you say?
We need a fitting for this.
It's right here. It's on the roof. Clear. I'm tired. We've been rushing to get this done. Weren't sure we were going to get it quite along as far as we did. I actually had the Nitrous kit held at UPS this morning so we could be there at like 7:30 in the morning to pick it up directly from the UPS hub. So we got that. Now we're all loaded. See, we're loaded down with merch. The whole gooseneck is full. We got my race gear, our shelves, like 20 boxes of merch. Soccer Mom is in here with all of 3-4 inches to spare on the front. And back here, they're nearly making out with each other. But I don't care if the front of my Lexus gets tore up. She's a little wounded already. Got some holes in the bumper from me running into people on the road course and crashing this side. And the more I kind of look at this Lexus, it's kind of twisted from one of the several crashes that it's been in. I have 3 spare SC300 just bare shells. Most likely I'm going to be rebodying the race car, cut the roof off, cut the cage out, put the cage in the other car, and then just drop the whole driveline in the other car too. But we are getting everything put in here. There's our tent. I've got to figure out how to get out of here.
It smells like mochi.
It's because we just changed the oil. You know how that works.
The tire going?
That tire we want to put just like in one of the corners so they can get to it easy, okay, in case they lose a tire. So yeah, we're wrapping this deal up. Hope to see you guys all in Houston. We're going to try to put on a show for everybody. Appreciate everybody watching. I know this video was a little shorter than normal. Just got caught up in the thrash and didn't really have time to film. And it's still not done, but I think I've got enough stuff to finish the wiring and get our happy little selves up and ready to spray some nitrous in the Burnout pad in Houston. So thanks again for watching. See you guys next time.